Siri Music 101. Music Siri? Siri offers a variety of music-related capabilities that enhance your listening experience. Here's what you can do with Siri when it comes to music. Play music. Ask Siri to play any song, artist, album, playlist, or station. For example, play Shape of You by Ed Sheeran or play jazz music. Apple Music Voice Plan, a subscription tier designed around Siri, offering access to Apple Music's catalog, playlists, and radio for $4.99 per month. Music Discovery, Siri can help you discover new music based on your preferences. Say play something I like or play the top songs from 1990 to explore different tunes. Add to library, while listening to a song, you can ask Siri to add it to your library or a specific playlist. Song Identification, Siri can identify the song that's currently playing and provide information about it. Control Playback, use voice commands to play, pause, skip tracks, change the volume, and more. Lyrics Search, you can ask Siri to play a song based on its lyrics by saying play the song with the lyrics, followed by a key phrase from the song. These features make Siri a powerful tool for music lovers, allowing for a hands-free and personalized music experience across all Siri-enabled devices. Now check out, 1. Use Siri to play music on iPhone, Apple support.